I recently spoke with someone from RVGUARD and they offered me a couple products to check out and to give an honest review of. So I accepted it because they wanted an honest review. Sometimes people will say, we'll give you this for a 5-star review. I'm not interested in doing that because I would be lying to you. So here we have 2 different products from RVGUARD for your camper, and we're going to open them up and put them to the test. No, you're not seeing things. That top box was something else. So here is the RVGUARD box. Everything was packaged nicely. Here is the water pressure regulator and also the 30 amp extension cord. Both of these items are going to be great must-haves. The extension cord is going to do wonders whenever we are mooch docking, and the RV pressure regulator is definitely a step up from what we have right now. First up is a regulator. It's packaged really nice, comes with instructions on how to use it, comes with an extra washer if you need it in the future, and is also stamped with the RVGUARD logo. Putting it on the faucet was simple. It swivels a little bit that makes it easier to get it on. I put in a quick connect because I love quick connects, and then I hooked up our water filter and our freshwater hose to the camper to see how it regulated the water. RV power cords can get expensive. I believe we have a 15 or 25 foot one now with our new camper. Our old camper, it was a shorter one, and we did run into problems at a campground or two with not having enough cord to make it to the electric plug-in. This one's packaged pretty decent. Came with a nice little RV camping themed shopping bag. It also came with stickers, which was a surprise and will be a hit on our next camping trip. The hose itself, high quality, and a carrying handle. When I got this, the only thing I thought that was coming with it was just the hose. So all these were little bonuses. RVGUARD has a commitment to making sure you get what you need. They have a good commitment to customer service with contact numbers and an email. You could use the bag to put your cord in, but I'm going to use it for something else. I do really like the carrying handle. You could also use it to hang the cord up somewhere. So in conclusion, I'm really impressed with RVGUARD. For a company that I hadn't heard of until a couple of months ago, I did not know what to expect. The water pressure regulator works simple. I had only used one with no kind of dial on it or even a gauge before, so I'm really excited to use this new one now and really know what we're getting and what we're not getting. That extension cord will be a game changer. We've been to some campgrounds where the electric was a lot further away than we thought it would be, and we had to go down from our 30 amp into a heavy duty extension cord into the pedestal. So now with this extension cord, we'll be able to keep that 30 amp from the box all the way to the camper. I highly recommend these 2 products, and check out their website. They have a lot of RV products and the prices are really good. Links in the description for the 2 items in this video, along with the discount. If you're interested in those, go through that link. That lets RVGUARD know that I sent you to them. And I may get a little bit. Thank you, RVGUARD, for trusting me to try out these products and give an honest review.